Dear students, so let's back again. So today we are going to see how to open Microsoft Office Word in Windows 8. Okay, so first we need to click on Start button. Then we need to click on this arrow where the applications will be available. So then you need to go on scrolling until and unless you find Microsoft Office package. Here are the Microsoft Office packages starts out here. So first one is digital certificate for VBA project, Microsoft Clip Organizer, Microsoft Office 2007 language, Microsoft Office Access 2007, Microsoft Office Diagnostic, Microsoft Office Excel 2007, Microsoft Office Group 2007, Microsoft Office InfoPart 2007, Microsoft Office OneNote 2007, Microsoft Office Outlook 2007, Microsoft Office Picture Manager, Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007, Microsoft Office Publisher 2007, Microsoft Office Word 2007. So Microsoft Office Word 2007. So we need to click here, double click here. So new window will be open where we can create our document using this. Okay, after opening this, if you want to use any other template or create one more blank document, then you can go to file or office logo and click on new. Out here you can find a first one called template, install template, my template from existing. So my template, let's see. So we can create our own template from here. Now install template, there are different templates out here: new post, blog post, equity fact, equity letter, equity merge facts, equity merge letters. So different templates are available. So what are templates? It's a predefined format, such as we can see we write our application, it should be in the particular format. So in Microsoft in Microsoft Office already formats has been provided by the Microsoft Office Word, but you can use but you need to do edit, and you just need to keep your content out there. Okay, so we will be working with blank document. So blank document. Now you can create your content out here, just like steps to open Microsoft Office Word. Step 1, click on start button. Step 2, click on all programs. Step 3, click on Microsoft Office Microsoft Office package, and step 4, click on MS Word MS Word 2007. So new window will be package. So new window will be created by following this. Now you can see this one is a simple document we have created using a Microsoft Office. Now we can do a lot of things out here. Let's we can work with font option. You can see out here font group where we can work. Now we can change our font face also. Times New Roman, Forte, this Anusanga UPC, Modernity Mangla. So now you can see different fonts are available, Algerian. So with whichever you are comfortable with, you can use by first you need to select the content, then you need to go to font face or font, then you need to select the font, and different fonts are available out here. You can see out here, see there are more than 100 fonts are available. You can use whichever you are comfortable with. Now we can also increase and decrease the size of font. You can see it's been increasing. You can also enter the number, such as let's see 100. Or you can increase by pressing grow font option. You can see by 2 level it's been growing. And next is sync font option. Okay, next is bold. Now you can see that steps to open MS Office Word is been little strong. Now next you can see italics. You can see out here it's slightly slanting steps one. Next one, underline. If you want to underline particular word, particular sentence, particular paragraph, then you can do it by using this. Next is strike through. So it will strike in the middle of horizontal strike in the middle of particular selected word. Now next is subscript and superscript. Subscript such as you can use H2O and all. Let's see H, then 2. Again we need to disable subscript. Now H2O. So typing this kind of thing you can use superscript and subscript. Now you can see first we need to type H, then we need to activate subscript. Now press 2. Again we need to deactivate subscrict and H2O. Now superscript such as 2 to the power 4 and all. So first we need to type the number again, then after we need to we activate superscript to the power 2. So this is how you can work on this. Next is we can find a case out here. Let's see sentence case means every sentence particular every paragraph, the first starting alphabet of the paragraph will be in capital letter and rest will be in small letter. So sentence, if we choose sentence case, or we have created our document earlier and the same will be applied in there. Next is lowercase, so everything will be in small letter. Now you can see out here everything out here is in small letter. Next is uppercase, everything will be in capital letter. You can see out here everything is in capital letter, uppercase. Next is capitalize each word, means starting word starting alphabet of each word will be in capital letter. Now you can see out here STOMOWSCO. You can see out here capitalizing each word. Next toggle case, so it's a different to capitalize each other, means starting alphabets of a particular every word will be in small letter and other will be in the capital letter. So toggle case is quite it's just opposite to capitalize each word. So sentence case we will be I think we are comfortable with this. Next is text highlighting color. So highlighting color, such as I think you used a highlighter in your books and all, so you can also highlight particular sentence, particular paragraphs, particular document, particular word in MS Word, and you can choose any of these color from here. Okay. Next is font color, means and which color we want our font. We can change the color of our font. Now you can see it's in a red. red color. So as per our wish we can change font color also. It can be done using a Microsoft Word. Now out here, clear formatting means the changes which we have done earlier, such as bold, italics, underline, strike through, these all will be clear and it will come to the normal again. Sorry, first we need to select this and clear formatting. Now see, everything came back to normal. Means the changes which we have done using all these things, that can be clear by using this option. Or so thank you very much. That's it for today. So today's topic was creating and working with font option in Microsoft Word. Okay, thank you very much.